If you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast, Strava is a powerful app that lets you track, log, and share your workouts effortlessly. Available on both iOS and Android, it supports a wide range of activities including running, cycling, weight training, and more both indoor and outdoor. After downloading the app, you can sign up easily using email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. You can change the app's language via your phone's settings and start logging workouts either with your phone or by connecting fitness devices like an Apple Watch or Garmin. Strava offers a free plan with basic features, while a paid plan unlocks more detailed analytics, goals, and progress tracking. You can name your workouts, rate your effort, add images or descriptions, and control who sees your activity. Sharing your workouts with friends or on social media is easy, and group features like clubs and challenges help keep you motivated. For serious athletes, the Pro plan is worth it. But even the free version is great for getting started with structured, trackable workouts. Do your own research first.